Tiaga, and I'm here with my cousin.
Hi. Also pagare you.
Karen's happy with her new shoes.
I am now broke. Thank you.
How much? Where?
725 euros.
Yeah.
All of my paycheck, basically. But it's okay. It's okay. It's just a pair of shoes.
And we choose this pink sushi, which I already tried. It's really good. It's a vegan sushi, and also some Mexicano and Noite Paulista, which I never tried. I'm looking forward to try them. You choose something else?
I'm getting a tamaki.
Yeah.
A sushi burrito, basically.
Cheers. Sono bellissimi, grazie. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. They're pink. And the seaweed is kind of white, I think. This is a soy sauce caviar on top. Karen looks really happy. And this is gama wakame, I think, the flower. Grazie. Grazie. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. What is this? What is this? Ah, this is a kind of, yeah, this is the way to use it. I don't know if you're happy or disgusted.
I'm intrigued.
What do you think?
Very good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I think they're vegan, right?
Yeah. The caviar is good too. The top six are just a little hard to use.
Skip first bite. I think I'm gonna put the soy sauce directly on the ramaki because I think they don't bring us like the little
No,
cups
they
for the soy sauce. I'm gonna put a little bit of soy sauce caviar on top. And yeah, here it is. Try it. Oh my gosh, it's matching my hair and my makeup. I'm so happy. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, that's so good. That's it again.
You ever get food and then it's so good, you're just like, oh yeah.
Yeah, absolutely.
So good.
Going the last one to see, and Karen is super happy.
I'm so ready. Let's decorate a house.
Oh, we have this one. It's furniture. Yeah, oh, this is so cute. Yeah. Guys, yeah, take a look. I have the same one, but in white and without the heart. It's so cute. And I also have this one, but it's breaking on some parts. My utility plates, I have all of them actually. And also I have all of them, these. I missed this one. Yeah, are they cute? I have this one at home. Do you know this?
The hearts, no, I didn't
Yeah,
notice.
this is so cute. I have this one.
Rhino. I just said rhino. It's a freaking dinosaur. Are you crazy? No.
They look so fragile. Kind of afraid to touch them.
I feel like I could make this myself. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know what you mean.
I just take a few pottery classes and then I'm done. Paint it a little bit, and then boom.
I'm wondering how much they will cost. It looks cheap and expensive at the same time.
Yeah.
We're talking about the style?
I'm gonna have to like make every single room in my house completely different. I don't know.
Yeah?
I'm probably gonna be like
No,
that.
I think I'm going to do the same. If I have like my own house.
People are gonna come in and like, what's going on?
These are like so cute. This is my like last obsession.
It smells like Twizzlers. Smell this.
Really? Oh my gosh!
It smells like candy.
Yeah, I'm obsessed with Twizzlers. Yeah, it's like impossible to find them here in Italy.
I give it a few years. They'll be here. Just like Oreos. Oreos weren't here for a while.
Yeah,
And now they started
but now
selling them.
they're everywhere. Yeah, it's true. I don't know which one I should take. It's clean cotton, which Karen seems to don't like at all.
No.
Or probably this one. What's together? So good, so
wanna
good.
sit on
Definitely recommend it. You're not taking this decision seriously. You're not just
When I
too
become a
excited.
psychiatrist, I have to pick a nice chair. Tell me your problems, sir.
This is my problem. I like this kind of
I
candles.
love laundry.
I love to laundry.
I love the smell of laundry.
Yeah.
I've been
What do you
overwashing
think?
my clothes for 50 years just to get a smell.
This is exactly what I'm doing. Exactly especially what I'm going to do. We're home and Karen is unboxing.
It's
her
Christmas every day. Unboxing.
Wow.
Wow.
They're so big.
Yeah, and they're so heavy.
Yeah. I can feel it.
If I ever want to kill anyone, I'll just
Yeah, smash the shoes.
smash the shoes in their face.
And then you ask for the refund
I've been waiting a long time
to get
for these
this.
bad boys. That did not go as I planned it to go.
No.
The box smells weird. Nice.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I can feel it. It smells like pollution.
Oh, you have to unbox your clean cotton, dirty
Of
ass
course,
candle.